Maximus Analysis here for October 13th, 2016, and we see that we touched 2107 today. Again, my levels that I had were 2128, 2116 and a half, and 2105. I still think that we have plenty more downside, and we are sneeze away from 2100 right here. So what I feel happened is, where does it sound? I think that, again, I think a lot of people went bearish yesterday. And they have to get that weekly put options. Again, I don't know if they're going to chop tomorrow, but we should see a clear break of 2100. Again, now it just felt unnatural, and it probably is. Again, I'm not going to speculate who's behind it, because that's a conversation that doesn't benefit anyone. So going back to look, this is the 130. I'm going to look at a 65-minute. You can see that we have to make sure that we don't just look here, but also make sure we encompass all of the price action to kind of see exactly where we are in regards to space. So we've been chopping, here. So usually you do a fast move down. Now it's retracing, and I can see that we're right at the 2134 breakout level. So again, we'll continue to watch here price levels, but I'm not going long at all. Again, I'm waiting to see. People already try to call the bottom for October. I'm like, wow, okay. Completely missed the boat. And again, this candle is still open on the weekly. So again, and they're just a stone's throw away. And again, I think they could flush down quickly to at least this 2050 area, which would be half of this candle. The big Brexit candle. We could just do this. Oops, let me do that again. We could just say right here. See if they get to that midpoint of the candle, 2040, or they come down and test the lows. Either way, they're breaking 2100. Again, I just think it's just a little bit of games that they play today. I'm not going to do too many names, because again, the overall market is what I really want to concentrate on. NQ, again, same type of deal. They're sneezed away from the breakout level, so they're watching it. 18,000 on the YM Dow. Again, the 17,900 level is our midpoint that we're seeing going back all the way to 2015. Don't know if it's false break reversal, but feels like that if they break down below here. Again, a close below this low, again, of around 17,750 would give us more confirmation. Crude continued to go up, but is now testing our levels that we have above. Again, with that level, you can see that if this will be another shooting star around this shooting star, which resulted here. Again, I told people that I would, a lot of people want to start a position here. I'm like, usually, again, and I missed this break of this level, which I'm kind of upset about, because I saw the setup. I just wanted it to come deeper in here, but I would not go long here. You can actually probably sell some premium above here for the next couple of weeks, because we're in overbought conditions. Excuse me. Gold continues to hover nicely here. Again, going maybe to the daily time frame. You can see that it's hovering nicely around these previous levels right here. We had support that it tapped against. Now it's currently holding. So again, it breaks above this 1270 level. We're looking to at least come back and test the 1300 mark quickly. So again, we'll continue to watch things. I just wanted to give a high level in regards to what was going on. Because again, today was such a volatile day in the beginning that I actually walked away from the computer, because as weird as it sounds, when I get overly bearish something, I usually try to walk away, because I don't want to add. I especially don't want to add oversold conditions. So I'm saying, you know what, wait, because again, it just faded here, and it's ramped up from basically 9:40, well, 9:45, basically 10 o'clock. It just, from there on, it just went straight up. So but again, you can see there, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars into the upside, kissing this level here. That was our resistance level, based on just some basic angles on the daily, and we want to see where they're going to go. Again, they come and test back this area, which is the the sell signal, which is the 1920 area. Again, they're going to flush right through 2100 very quickly. But I don't know if they're going to do it tomorrow, or they'll chop tomorrow, because It's crazy to sound. Again, weekly options. There might just be so many people that bought calls today that why not just expire them both worthless and then just pick up again on Monday. Who knows? We'll see what happens. All right, take care. Again, we have the volatility we're looking for, and again, we've been on the right side of the trade. Probably it's taken longer than I think a lot of people did, but wanted to. But again, I've been posted now since July, late July, not to go long. July 22nd was actually my newsletter that said do not go long, and it's been paying. Even if you're in cash, you have paid lack of commission. You've also didn't get squeezed out because a lot of people, again, I'm surprised that they actually pulled it back because they broke 21. I thought there was a lot of stops again at that 21.34 level, but they pulled it back a little bit, but they didn't even capture it. So still below the breakout level, and we'll continue to see what happens overnight. Again, if you need the newsletter, please let me know. I'm actually probably going to post it tonight on some social media stuff so you guys can get access to see the type of work that I do. And take care.